Alright, hello YouTube. Here's my newest project. Just picked it out of a shed. John Deere L110 automatic. Old lady said that it's been sitting for about 4 years, and I was just checking it out real quick, and the oil filter does say 512 on it. Today is September 21st, 2018. So, here she is in all of her glory. We've got the good old Kohler engine, so I'm pretty excited about that. Original John Deere battery. Seat's a little ripped. I still got to get power to it and see how many hours I have on the clock. Came with a full bagger, which is kind of messed up. A couple holes in it, and then over here it's missing some plastic, so I might have to get that fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna go through it and just see what I need to do to get it running. So I did start taking apart the air filter, and it does look pretty clean, but I'm still gonna clean it up a little bit. The gas tank is bone dry, but the only issue is that there are creatures in there that are dead. There's a dead spider just hanging out. So there's a lot of debris in there, so I'm gonna try to flush that out with gas and then collect that gas, have it pour through this filter, or take this off right here, and then dump out the crud from that gas tank before I get it going into the carb, which is over here. So next step, I'm going to take that bowl off as well and just check it before I pour gas in it. I don't really feel like putting new gas in there and just clogging everything up. Alright, well, I'll see you soon. Update on the progress. I started taking the carburetor apart. So you have this little solenoid here that allows the gas to go in and out. I'm not entirely sure, but when there's power, the magnet goes down, I believe, to let fuel feed into the carburetor. So, the carb bowl was pretty dirty. Got a little eye chem in there and cleaned her out, cleaned the outside a little bit. And I use this, what is this here? A mirror right here, just to give you an idea of what is going on up there. There is a little pin jet in there, I believe, that I couldn't really get into, so I took my needle, or my jet cleaner, these pins, just stuck them up in there a couple times with the carb cleaner, so that's all clean. I'm going to assemble that back together. The oil is brand new, so I have no idea how long this has been sitting. It says 2012 on there for the oil filter. I'm going to get power to that soon, to the odometer reading, or the hour reader, and just see how many hours are on it compared to this. And then I'll kind of be able to tell how long this thing has been sitting. But so far it looks like it's been sitting for 6 years, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, I'll update you on the next step. Oh yeah, by the way, this solenoid took, what was it? 13 millimeter wrench. So, getting there. So I just cleaned up the gas tank. It had some debris in there. I opened the cap up, and it was kind of loose, so critters got in there, and I vacuumed it out. Carb is all put back together. I'm gonna jump my tractor from the quad and see how many hours we got. Hopefully it can give me a reading. Wow. So she's got, let's focus here, 167 hours, 167.2, 116 hours on this oil change, so probably needs an oil change, but at least we know how many hours are on her. Alright, so I'd say I'm gonna dump some fresh gas in her, see if she fires. Got some gas in her, she's jumped. I got the hydraulic system turned on. Let's see if she'll fire. I put some gas in there. It's like barely anything in there, but we'll see. Alright, alright, so key on. Full choke. Go away. There she goes. Probably gotta prime the fuel a little bit. want to kill the battery off the quad. So there's also no fuel in this filter. I might need to go get more gas. Oh, damn. There she is, all running. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I needed more power from the truck, so got her jumped up, and basically that fuel pump is run mechanically when it's cranked, and I needed more power from the truck. So probably took like 2 minutes of just cranking for the fuel to get all the way through. Fired right up, good old Kohler.